I'm very grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Railways Minister, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, for this possibility of inauguration, dedication, laying foundation of 554 redeveloped railway stations and inauguration of some 1,500 underpasses and overbridges. During the last 10 years, Mizoram has made much progress in terms of transportation by railways, and we would like to thank the Railway Ministry for this project, which has come all the way to the northeast and to either to land. Rail kaltir tunna, Sairanga kaltir tunna, Arom Torleta, Tehi Alomum Katia, and Poliazom, the Venezuela Khan, Act is policy, point MMI, KMMTTP project, Poina about Hennato, so the Tanga Ramdang Pole, Chonato, Conte. Ain hong zelong ani tite alang siang lea railways abang hian lo le chi phang phang kan tel do la ni ti hi sianga so wan son long thu kan sei tel dua he kan phia angin railways a chuan thi lo then tu tam ta ko ma su ti rolin lau thon hen khat te ni pui lo tang te bon a oma so ti chu le ma zong han sei tel lok ka dua de kina kan ho tu ten I would like to request the railways authorities to keep in mind and ensure these 3 points that I would like to make. First is employment opportunities which would become available. To the extent possible, I would request that local people, especially the local youth, are employed in the railways to the extent possible. A lot of Berakan Chalaite, Kanekatiamte, Ina Ansorbote Tura, He, Railway on Lut Meg, on Lutur, He, Railway Hotu Tenancy. Secondly, I would like to request safety of railway tracks and railway properties. Rail Kongtele. An bung re reng from the Himatul and Chigang Quality Street off. Such a point was there. I think the good hay pile of Mizoram rail or Lutin Katahi, a rail gong low teacher take home China. But our pile boy there at Wayne, and rail gong to the teachers. So, my had anything to Silla, and one for my Jimmy Danjuan, railway to Netute, Mizoram Sokar made the book. I would like to request the Mizoram government as well as the railway authorities to ensure that the railway tracks and properties are kept safely, that they are well guarded, and that no miscreants should be able to block railway or damage the railway tracks in the future. So like that, kan belve dulokan ya. Then hey, we don't get on the phone for only so Namdan and Lu Mim to go up the Inia. Railway go to Namdan to Lu tail lower, and I can run Lu Dona at hop to take a hop to take and Miava. Amara can Ramina port here the dan can nick it. So Eroso can go very point Dona. So we are down to Mizoram Sokar, railways, Lamte, Kotang, Tongai, Poltepo. So the Entaka Dan Lovaron Luemo, Palna Lovaron Luemo, Om Lulatura, Malaturin, when I hear Kangendua. I would like to make a request that the railways, as well as the Mizoram government, or perhaps the Assam government, to ensure that the inner line regulation is maintained at all costs when the railway lines enter further into Sairanga and thence to Mongbuchwa. chu ni sela hei kan hun hi tlem na kal thui de to nei de khia thu tam tak soi lo tak kan ne lo ma